Your Storm Watch 9 forecast.
Rain, freezing rain departing, a couple of leftover rain or snow showers through about 8 o'clock, and then after that we watch the roads very closely. Right now, downtown, they are primarily wet, but they'll glaze over in the coming hours as we fall below 32 degrees. Right now at the airport, barely above that. Any treatment on the roads? We're in pretty good shape for the next hour or two, but the winds are going to crank up out of the west-northwest to over 40 miles per hour at times early morning through the afternoon tomorrow, driving in much colder air. Wind chills tomorrow for some, 0 or below all day long. So a lot of cold air in place right now. Speaking of right now, a snow squall showing up in Albany, New York, but that will tend to weaken as it approaches. So a couple of mixed showers right now, but they'll move out by 8 o'clock tonight. Sky is partially clear. In the focus, cold air and the wind. So with this hour, freezing or above in many spots. Treatment on the roads, we're in pretty good shape for the next hour. But shortly after 7 or 8 p.m., notice the timestamp on Futurecast and the temperature fall, freezing or below. So some glaze on the roadways. Anything that is not dried up or has not been treated will quickly ice up in the coming hours. So that by the midnight hour, 20s at the coast, teens to near 20 to the north and west, so slippery going expected in spots right through early on your Tuesday. Speaking of Tuesday, we're going to start off 10 north to around 21 at the coastline. That is very close to the average for an overnight load this time of year, but by tomorrow afternoon, no recovery because that busy wind developing drives in even colder air. At this hour, wind advisory from Concord north. However, even outside of the advisory, we could see some gusts over 30 to 40 miles per hour. Here's that timeline. As early as midnight, 1 a.m., winds start to pick up, 20, 25, even 30 miles per hour. Early morning, 30 to 45 mile per hour gusts. Same story all afternoon long. Then the winds will weaken a bit later tomorrow night. This is the end result with the wind chill early tomorrow morning. 9 below in Berlin, 0 or barely above farther off to the south. And by the afternoon, not much of a recovery. Some sun south, could be a few flakes far north. Jumping ahead to New Year's Eve day, quiet all day. 20 north, 31 on south. However, in the evening, if you're going to be out, and many will be, to celebrate the new year ahead, snow showers. Could be a dusting to an inch in spots. Could be a few slick roads anytime after 8 p.m. through 1 or 2 in the morning. And then behind that, it is more cold air to ring in the new year. As a matter of fact, that will linger through Friday and the first weekend of 2026. It is almost there. Speaking of 26,
wow.
There's only one day on the 7 day where we are actually above that for a high temperature.